Cooking one's own goose, unraveling the meaning. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom, cook one's own goose. This phrase might sound humorous at first, but it holds a valuable lesson in language and expression. Stay tuned as we dive into the origins, meaning, and usage of this intriguing idiom. To cook one's own goose means to ruin one's own plans or prospects through foolish actions or behavior. Essentially, if someone has cooked their own goose, they have done something that ensures their own failure or downfall. It's a colorful way to describe self-sabotage or the act of inadvertently sealing one's own fate in a negative way. The exact origins of cook one's own goose are somewhat murky, but it is believed to have medieval roots. One theory suggests it originated from historical events or folklore where cooking a goose was symbolic of celebrating victory or marking a significant occasion. Over time, the phrase took on an ironic twist, indicating not a celebration but a self-inflicted defeat. Let's put this idiom into context with some examples. After arguing with the boss, John really cooked his own goose. Here, it means John jeopardized his job by fighting with his boss. By not studying for her finals, she's really cooked her own goose. This suggests that she has harmed her chances of passing by choosing not to prepare. Using cook one's own goose in conversation or writing adds a playful yet cautionary tone. It's perfect for situations where someone has or is about to make a mistake that will likely lead to their own detriment. Remember, it's often used retrospectively or in warning. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, cook one's own goose. It's a vivid reminder of how our actions can directly impact our outcomes, often in ways we didn't intend. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you a fun phrase to ponder and use. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the richness of the English language.